Hey, on the way in, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so and hit that notification bell. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Petrified Fish Trilobite. Now, from the moment that I saw the first advertisement for the Trilobite, I knew I was going to pick it up. One, because it's an amazing fossil that is available to find out here in Wyoming. And two, the design of this knife truly speaks to me. So without further ado, let's check it out. Air freshener. Microfiber cloth. Petrified fish sticker. Desiccant. Extra screws. Man, really dig the tan G10 on here. A little bit of traction milling in there. Love that the hardware is all matched with it. And then the Petrified Fish logo actually kind of looks like it's tan and matches the G10. Matching G10 backspacer. It is deep clip, right and left hand ambidextrous. Really good jimping on the flipper tab here. That's a good looking knife. Definitely into this design. See how it feels in hand. Oh, that feels really good. Yeah, just the right size. This is an excellent EDC design. The Trilobite was designed in collaboration with Italian knife designer Alessandra de Santis. I had never owned any of her work before this, but here in the last week I've picked up 2 of them and I couldn't be more impressed. What I notice about her design aesthetic is that she really pays attention to ergonomics and comfort in hand. To me, that's very important because you don't want something that, just looks cool. You want it to be functional and comfortable as well. So this is pretty exciting. I love it how this blade has a very generous finger choil on here. Let's get into some quick specs about the Trilobite. The model number is PFE 17. The overall length is 7.09 inches or 180 millimeters. The blade length is 3.03 inches or 77 millimeters. The handle length or closed length is 4.06 inches or 103 millimeters. The handle overall thickness with pocket clip is 0.73 inches or 18.6 millimeters. The handle thickness is 0.57 inches or 14.4 millimeters. The overall weight is 3.67 ounces or 104 grams. It is slightly less for the Ultim version. The blade is constructed of 14C28N Sandvik steel with a hardness range of 59 to 61. The blade is a flat grind and it is black stone washed. It does ride on caged ceramic ball bearings and is operated by a button lock. It does have a lanyard loop and again is ambidextrous left and right tip up pocket carry. It has generous jimping up front here, and when using this finger choil, the jimping is still usable and you can get out over that blade if you need to for more intricate tasks. Let's try the action here. Yep, flips good. Very smooth on this button operation. Let's try it here. Finger flick, fine. Button lock, just fine. Thumb flip, great. Middle finger flick, fine. And first finger flick. And pointer finger. Easy day. Let's do some size comparisons with the Trilobite. First comparison, we have the Kubi knives RDF or reduced drag factor, and this is also a Hydra Designs. You can see very similar design language but very different. The Trilobite is overall just a tad bit shorter than the blade length of the RDF. They are both comfortable in hand and both button locks. Good comparison. Next up, we have the Ramet Rhino, and overall these are roughly the same size as well. And then last but not least, we have the KB Knives Bluff. And again, this is roughly just a little bit larger than the Trilobite, but they're all perfectly sized EDC knives for a large, medium to large size hands. My overall first impressions of the Trilobite is this initially is going to be a great EDC knife. I know I keep saying that, but it feels good in hand. It's very comfortable, and yeah, it just looks really good. It is very appealing to me. They do offer this in a few different colors. This is the one that spoke to me the most, even though it came in a blue G10, kind of like a denim blue, a black G10, and an Ultim with a stone-washed blade. I look forward to really putting the Trilobite through its paces and giving you a full report on my thoughts and how it performs for EDC tasks. If you haven't checked out Hydra Design on Instagram, please give her a follow and check out some of her other designs. Thank you again for checking out the Trilobite with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks.